In this next set of exercises, we'll be determining whether a real-life situation is an arithmetic sequence or a geometric sequence. An auditorium has 31 seats in the first row, 33 seats in the second row, 35 seats in the third row, and so on for 18 rows. How many seats are in the 17th row? I've written on the board the fact that this is some kind of a sequence, 31, 33, 35, and you should recognize that this is an arithmetic sequence. We're interested in knowing how many seats are in that 17th row. That is, we want the 17th term. So we know that a sub 1 is equal to 31. The common difference d is equal to 2. We're interested in n equals 17. Our formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And we now substitute in a sub 17 is equal to 31 plus 17 minus 1 times 2. A sub 17 is equal to 31 plus 17 minus 1 is 16 times 2. That means a sub 17 is 31 plus 32, which is equal to 63. So there are 63 seats in the 17th row.